The death of Senzo, 2014, 26 October. He stayed for an hour before he was taken to hospital. The blood has been worked the way it was hacked. It was for sacrifice. See. And then ultimately, and I hope it's the end, and then it's truth. This case has to collapse. Because Baloyi was not supposed to be part of this, because he was in this case to mislead the court. The firearm that killed Senzo is not 9mm, allegedly belonged to case number 3. The firearm belongs to Adv Baloyi. That killed Senzo.
Yeah.
So this is the reason why TFO should get 100 million and get out of this case. But my conscience won't allow. And should I have taken that money? Your question, McG, why are you still alive? Should I have taken that money? 45 million first. I was going to die. The initial intention of the people who sent me to jail is that either I won't come back, I'm going to die there. It's the one supplying the drugs in Gauteng. So now, the National Commissioner, get these people, they find the cargo. They took it from them. When Senzo was about to receive that, that's when the bullet came.
Yo.
And I cried for the very first time, very serious. My brother died when I was in jail. Through a heart attack.
Is it worth it in the end?
I've been promised 45 million if I get out of this case.